Right, yeah, so we're leaving the campsite, leaving Morn Hill, and we're heading to Bladon Chains.
Yep.
The last time ever we can go to Bladon Chains.
Unless we come again before September the something, right?
When it closes.
When it closes, yeah. It's sad, really. Yeah. It's a while since we've been there, actually, because we used to go there quite a lot, didn't we?
Yeah.
We lived down south. Plenty of memories there.
Yeah. The sun's come out now, we're leaving here.
Yeah, actually the site looks lovely, isn't it?
It does, in the sun. In
yeah.
the sun, it looks really nice. They've put some tables and chairs out by the reception there, which you probably won't be able to see. But
he's going around and he's cutting all the grass.
Yeah.
It's looking really nice.
Yeah. No, I do like grass pitches. Especially if you're putting an awning up, it's nice to have something soft under your feet rather than that hard gravel.
Yeah. Right, so
drop the barrier card key off. The route is back to the A34 and along the A34 and
along the A34.
And then we go up with the A34
yeah,
I think.
Yeah, so this is the A34 day. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So we'll catch up with you a little bit later.
A34 toward the Midlands. At the roundabout, take the third exit to A34. When possible, make a U-turn, then enter the roundabout. At the roundabout, take the second exit to A34.
We're in with the trucks.
Thing ends. There's somewhere.
About here, I think. Still on the A34, aren't we? Which we have been for ages.
Yeah, the big Premier Inn there.
Yeah. We're on the outskirts of Oxford now.
Yeah, there's a horrible smell. I don't mean to be rude about Oxford, but there was a really horrible smell as we came in to Oxford. I don't think it's coming out the sink either.
No.
1 mile.
Yeah.
Take the exit on the left to A44, then keep left.
Good if I could capture the pictures on the sat nav, because they're quite good, aren't they, for the signs?
Yeah.
Kidlington and Woodstock.
Yeah.
Woodstock is where Blenheim Palace is.
Take the exit on the left to A44, then keep left.
Fingers crossed we're still filming.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to A44.
Not every time does things go smoothly, do they?
Yeah, no, don't seem to do.
What really happens.
Roundabout, take the first exit.
Towards Whitney, 4095. That's right, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bladon. I seem to remember it's up on the right, isn't it?
I think it's up on the right, yeah.
Yeah. means. Yeah.
Yeah, it says fish and chips Wednesday 5 till 7.
Okay. Yeah, this is Blenheim View. We'd have a look round anyway. There's only 2 pitches available for us.
Yeah, because I think when I booked this site way back, that's all there was.
Yeah. So that one's 58 there, so let me just check. Yeah, that's right, we're there, aren't we? So we're going round there. So there's only 77 and 79 available, which are over there, look alright.
Okay. Depends where they're under trees, doesn't it, basically?
Are they under trees, did you say?
Yeah, I said it depends if they are.
We've been round this side of the site. Picturing this, and normally go the other way, don't we?
I think you're going to find these are in the trees. There's 78 and 79.
That's 72.
Yeah.
So it's at the end there.
Yeah, I know. Because it's going to rain Friday.
Is it?
Yeah.
74, 75. There's no trees above. No, that's alright, there's no trees over the top of it.
Yeah.
Do you want to double check? There we go. Yeah, we had to go on this pitch 77. There was nowhere else available. So anyway, it's a huge pitch. I don't know why it's a non-awning.
No.
Maybe you can't put awnings up there. I don't know. Let's have a wander around. We'll do a little thumbnail by the bins, couldn't we?
That'd be nice. Lovely.
Winston Walk, that's called. Bill and Ben. It's a pity the bins are here, but it'd make quite a nice thumbnail, wouldn't it? Is that going to be a good thumbnail or not?
Possibly not, no. No, I don't know where it is. The sign's out there, but it's a bit dark.
Yeah.
And that just says safe journey.
I think that'll have to do. By the bins.
By the bins.
Yeah, because the site's condemned to the bin, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh, blimey.
Ouch.
Oh, what's that? Awful noise. There we are.
In a well.
Yeah. Little caravan. And it's got its own little hookup.
The hookup, yeah. Sweet, isn't it? The showers aren't open, are they?
No, no. No toilet facilities at the moment because the boiler's broken.
I think there's toilets, but there's no...
Oh, sorry, there's toilets, but there's no
There's no
showers.
showers.
Yeah. Oh, it's quite a nice looking toilet block, wasn't it?
Yeah, I seem to remember it's a bit dated.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to look at the toilet emptying point. Yeah, it's a bit dated. I mean, there's no point them spending any money on it if they
No.
close it.
I think it was brand new when we first used to come,
Yeah,
which is yonks ago.
yeah. And the bins are over there. Yeah, I've got a washing up facility there, but I suppose there's no hot water, is
I
it?
would imagine, no.
This is the side we normally come on, isn't it?
Last time we came up here, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we have been on those ones near that road a couple of times.
Yeah. Yeah, so obviously it's all grass up here. And again, we've been up here, haven't we?
Yeah, right up the very top there, I think.
A lot of grass pitches here.
Feeling that's where the dog walk is, but...
Play area over there.
Yeah.
And that's all part of the Blenheim estate over there, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
I think you can get into this field, can't you? I seem to remember. I don't think I fancy walking it at the moment. But I think the dog walks over there.
Over the back, it's in here, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
So she'd, if we let her off, she'd have one of those.
She'd never catch them. They've all gone anyway. The rabbits are in here, all disappearing. I don't think she's seen them anyway.
No.
Right, Pops, this is your dog walk, okay?
Your big dog area.
Big dog area. Go on. It'll be good when you come back when you're called. Yeah, a bit of noise from the whatever road it is out there. Up this end. I think it's worse up this end, isn't it, the noise?
Yeah. Yeah, because we're backing onto like that side road.
Yeah. It's noisy. Bikes. Anyway, so the cost of this site was £76 and a penny.
Was it? That's for 3 nights.
That's 3 nights.
There's more than Morn Hill was.
Yeah. And the penny apparently is because of VAT rounding.
Right. We used to have trouble with that, didn't we?
Yeah.
People accusing us of being a penny wrong.
Yeah. Meow. You can probably smell the rabbits.
I bet you can.
I can smell the
Composting.
well, the grass cutters are going to say. Yeah, so all this ground is leased to the Blenheim estate, isn't it? Or leased from the Blenheim estate.
That's right.
So when the lease expires, they want the ground back. So I bet they're probably going to do like holiday homes or chalets or even a campsite.
Yeah. Yes, it could be. Yeah. Then the club's looking to have another site in the area, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it is one of the first sites we came to, I think, when we had the van.
I think it was probably a second site we came to.
Do you think it was? Yeah.
Yeah. We went on a longer trip. I think the first one was Ashwell.
Yeah, and then we came on because we went down to Devizes, didn't we? And then we stopped here on the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saying you can see all the rabbit holes here.
Come here, come here.
Burrowing in the compost. Go on then, let's get back. Hello. Yeah, there's a play area. Yeah, Woodstock, you go out of here.
Yeah, and you turn
left and then right along the road along there, and it's over in that direction. So that sign's a little bit confusing.
Yeah.
But if you want to walk to Churchill's grave, it's that way, and then there's a gate out the end at the back there in the corner, isn't there?
Yeah. And there's a park and ride that way as well.
Yeah.
There's also another dog walk, I think. That's one I remember as well.
Want to have a look down there then?
Yeah.
Yeah, some of these pitches are quite small. That's 6.6 metres, that one.
Well, it used to be all right when we used to come before, didn't
we? Yeah, so go down into this corner of the site. There's the other dog walk and the way out to the village.
This is the dog walk I remember.
Yeah. Come on, perhaps this way.
Come on.
think I need a lawnmower that size when I get back.
You will, definitely.
Anyway.
Yeah, I was thinking borrow it.
So if you come to this gate and you walk down there, that takes you into the village, and there is a pub down there. And we're hoping.
We should put the table for tomorrow.
Yeah, at the moment it appears to be closed, so we're going to give them a ring and make sure we can go. We're expecting our friends Pete and Elaine to come. I'm going to say Aileen there.
That's the back gate to Blenheim, isn't it? There.
Yeah, so. Yeah, that footpath, I think that takes you across the field there.
Yeah.
And
It's nice and muddy, doesn't it?
Yeah, a bit soggy.
Yeah,
so,
it takes you to Woodstock, yeah.
So the brown signs say Sir Winston Churchill's grave and Woodstock Visitor Centre. Alright, let's get back and get plugged in, because we haven't plugged in yet, Pops. Or had a beer.
No.
Or even a coffee.
No.
Yeah, that's our nearest service point there.
Unless we go to the motorhome service point, which is near the entrance.
She's near the entrance, yeah.
Can't say a lot here because there's trucks rattling past.
Yeah, I think that's about it for the video. Nothing else to add, apart from the mobile signal doesn't look particularly brilliant on Vodafone.
No, it's not particularly brilliant on the other one either, EE.
No.
I call it weak.
Weak, yeah. So we won't be uploading any videos from here. Sorry about the noise. Some sort of trucking activity going on behind us.
Yeah.
Oh well. So probably have that going on all day. Yeah, but other than that, it is a really lovely site. I'm glad we come back here, and looking forward to meeting our friends tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to Blenheim Palace tomorrow, aren't we?
Yeah, Blenheim Palace tomorrow, so hopefully we'll bring you a bit of
footage from there without a truck going past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow, I think.
Yep, okay then.
Bye then. Bye.